How's it all going, everyone? Anthony here, and today I am making a video of my bird, and his name is Sparky. Sparky, my bird. The pigeon, I'm not sure, but Toby. Shh. Then my dog Doge, my Doge Toby. So let's get opening. Don't worry, he doesn't bite me hard. Don't worry. He really bites you. He doesn't bite me that hard. He just bites me a little. I could pick him up. I believe I could fly. There's my food. Well, after I finish making this video, I will give him some food. So yeah, and this video of making my bird, Sparky, making a video of him, was actually inspired by my friend Saifullah at school. He told me to make a video about my parrot. Well, not my parrot, a bird. My bird, Sparky. I think he's a pigeon. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's a pigeon, but look at him. Look at him. Din, din, din. So, this video was all about just showing you guys all about my parrot. My parrot is a pigeon. What? No, just calling it a parrot. My bird is a pigeon. Doesn't like it when people open his cage. Ah! Ouch! Ouch! God. Go on my hand. He always likes to go on my hand. Go on my hand! Oh God, that scares me. So you saw there, my parrot does not like to go on my hand anymore. He used to in the past, but now, as soon as I try, he completely just spazzes out, and he doesn't like it anymore. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Peace.